Trash work is better than no work at all.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to the daily wisdom of today. And the wisdom that I have for you today is that trash work is better than no work at all. I want you to take a look at my habit tracker here. We're in month 4. We just started month 4. And this is my obese to fit journey. As you can see, it's 11 p.m. right now. And I haven't exercised today. I didn't eat clean, to be honest. Didn't drink enough water. I didn't do anything that's written here. But let's implement this rule that we have. I'm not even with exercise clothes. I'm not even gonna have time to go to the gym because it's 11 p.m. So let's exercise right now. How many squats should I do? How many squats?
15.
Lunges, yeah? See? Trash work is better than no work at all. And so I urge you today, get some work done, because some work is always better than no work at all. It's always better to go to the gym and do 5 squats than do 0 squats. It's always better to do 1 minute of work than no work at all. And so take this advice today and take your action right now.